Let's learn how to use the microphone tool to record your voice. Sometimes your teacher will assign you activities where she wants you to record yourself talking. She might ask you to explain how you solved a math problem, or in the case of this activity, your teacher wants you to read your sight words out loud. The microphone tool is this one right here. I'm going to show you how to record your voice using this example of reading sight words. When I click on the microphone tool, it gives me 3 seconds and then it starts recording. You can tell you're recording because we have the red bar up here. It tells me I've recorded for 12 seconds and I only have 5 minutes total that I can record. This is the pause button. So if I get confused or I need a moment to think, I can always press the pause button. It will let me know that I'm paused. That means it's not recording right now. And when I'm ready to continue recording, I can click here. So if I was a student doing this activity, I would read my words now. With, and, you, no. There you can see how this would work. Now, imagine that I'm finished. I read all of my sight words. I can click right here where it says done. Then, if I want to check my recording, I can press play here. 3 seconds, and then it starts recording. And you can see down along the bottom here, I can press play or pause and hear the recording that I made. When I finished and I think that I want to turn it in, I'm going to press the green check mark.